Today I'm going to make something that is so delicious. It is guacamole deviled eggs, right? And what we're going to do basically is we have my better than chimichurri green sauce, which I make from scratch, and I got my my egg yolks all in here, and obviously everything's been cleared out. So I'm going to put some of this in here. Remember, this has green onions and jalapenos and serrano peppers and garlic and cilantro, and then some orange juice and lime juice in here. So you can watch my video on how to make this sauce from scratch. You go ahead and watch that. All I do is put it all in a blender and blend it up. So I'm going to put some of that in there, give it some extra flavor, and then I'm just going to mix in some guacamole. Oh, this is good stuff. Some fresh guacamole, which has obviously some onions and tomatoes and cilantro and all that stuff. And I'm gonna mix this all together. So we're gonna have the egg yolks and the green sauce and the guacamole, and then I'm gonna add I've used this before, Wickles spicy red sandwich peppers. It's a pepper relish made with red jalapenos, so that'll give it a nice little color. The red and green will go good together. And that's not too spicy. It's got a little vinegar in it, but you can see, look at this. This is looking so good. So I'm just going to mash all this up. Mash, 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 mash. And I'm just going to do it to the consistency I like, where there's the right amount of guacamole, and there's the right amount of green, and there's the right amount of yellow and eggs. So you mash it up really, really good. You get this in here. And then obviously all I'm going to do now, I can mash this up a little better, but I got parts that are nice and green. I'm going to, well, let me see, taste it here. Oh, that's good. I'm going to add a little more guacamole to it. I like that guacamole flavor. There's a whole nother big scoop of guacamole. I think I'm going to add a little more of my better than chimichurri sauce too. Oh, this is so good. It smells so good. Alright, that's good. That looks really good. So, here's a nice part. I'm going to mix it some more. Go ahead, fill my egg with this. And now I'm going to put a little, this is a little, instead of paprika, I'm going to use a little chipotle, smoky chipotle powder, and sprinkle that on top. And as a garnish, I got a serrano pepper. I'm going to put a little piece of serrano pepper right in there, just like that. So there you go. This is my guacamole deviled egg. That's all it is. And let's see. That is awesome. Wow. If you like guacamole, if you like deviled eggs, or hard-boiled eggs at least, you're going to love that. That is so good. Go ahead and try it yourself.